So today we're going to be cleaning the Jordan 10s. Alright, these are pretty rough looking. And yeah, we're just going to hop right into it. Several issues going on here. We have some scratches, some deep scratches that we're going to hit with the white touch-up paint. We have some deep scuffs, right, that we're going to get out with the black bottle here, right? And let's see, it looks like about it. And the shoelaces definitely need to be replaced. Like, there's no saving these. Don't try to save these, right? Just replace them. Don't make no sense in trying to replace those. But these are pretty dirty. I don't know what y'all be doing to these shoes, man. Back in my day, we wouldn't dare come in the house with our shoes looking like this, especially Jordans, right? So, yeah, we're just gonna hop right into it. Let's get it. So, first and foremost, I want to give a huge shout out to the League of Hustlers for sponsoring this video, right? It's a lifestyle brand it's a podcast, a vlog, as well as different gear, right? Clothes and shirts, hats. League of Hustlers, the podcast. Check it out. Big shout out to those guys. All right, appreciate you. So let's get to it. So first and foremost, we're going to be using the MVP kit. Alright, from Shoot MGK. And in that kit, you have the white touch-up. You have the cleaner and conditioner made of coconut oil and jojoba oil, all natural ingredients. Right? Derived from, it also has UV brighteners in it, so it's going to make your whites whiter, your blacks blacker, your blues bluer. Okay, then the water stain repellent, and another bottle of the cleaner and conditioner. Lots of value. We can definitely appreciate that, and as well as the brush, of course. All right. Now, first thing I want to do with these, let's start by taking out the shoelaces. These just need to be tossed and horrible. Get out of here. Alright. Next, we're just going to do a quick assessment on any problem areas that we need to address. Of course, it has the creases and stuff like that. In order to get these creases out, you need to use the iron wet cloth and put it over it, iron it a little bit to pull the creases out. That's not what this video is about. If you want to check those kind of videos out, click the link in the description and it'll show you. But this video is about strictly cleaning. First thing I want to do is knock off any of this big dirt, big clumps of dirt that are sitting up here. When I get to my water, I don't want so much dirt polluting my water too bad, right? Gonna be some dirt in there, but I want to get it as much off as possible, right? And this brush is pretty abrasive, so I'm kind of being careful with it just to knock off the big clumps of dirt. Alright, now that I got all the big clumps of dirt knocked off, I'm going to get my solution. Here's your brush. Again, this is a universal brush, works on all materials. Don't believe the hype about soft bristles, hard bristles. Of course, any bristle that you put in between fibers on fabric can get down in between them and pull up the fabric, right? So what you want to do, it's all in your technique. You want to perfect your technique. You don't want to do it so hard that you're pulling those fibers up, right? So you want to use the perfect technique, right? And again, this is a universal brush, works on all materials, works wonders. So yeah, let's get to it. What I'm gonna do is get this one is open.
Every time you see me,
Get my solution. This is a concentrate, coconut oil, jojoba oil. Okay, all natural ingredients, and it's an upgraded solution. All right. So what you're gonna do? You want to get some warm water. Dip, 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 dip. Okay. Dip, dip, drip, and put your solution on there. All right. Dip, dip, drip. A little bit of solution, and then all you're gonna do is just start at the bottom. I'm gonna go around the sole. Start from the bottom. Now here. That's it. Get the sole nice and sooty. Just go around. So what you want to do is start when I say start at the bottom. You want to do that in order to activate the suds. Right? Go ahead, let's dip this off. Let's brush out a little bit. But doing this gets the suds activated. Right? And what the suds are gonna do is it's gonna help lift that dirt up off of the shoe. Okay? So the thing is, like I said earlier, you don't want to scrub certain areas of fabric too hard. I don't care what kind of brush you use. You can use a toothbrush even. If you scrub it too hard, it's gonna mess up the fibers in the fabric, right? But on the bottom, we can scrub it harder because it's rubber, right? And so we're just gonna take this on around, get that going, a little bit there. And look how it's nice and sudded up. All right, dip, dip, drip. Okay, so once my suds are activated, let me go ahead and add a little bit more solution. Just a tad. Remember, it's a concentrate. Just a tad. Dip, dip with the brush. But now that I have the solution all worked up, now I can come up the shoe. I got the suds activated. Now I'm gonna come up. Circular motions. Right, get all angles. Get down in there. Looking good already. Oh, look at that. Crazy talk. As Dave Chappelle would say. That's crazy talk. But yeah, looking good already. I can't wait to see what these look like up under here. All right, now what I like to do is have I like to have a dirty rag on the side, right? To lift up all of the dirt from the suds and stuff. The suds. But look at that. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, oh my gosh, Shoe MGK, the world's best shoe cleaner. And notice how the blues are bluer, the blacks are blacker, and the whites are whiter. I'm telling you, this is amazing stuff. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit it again, but I just wanted y'all to see this. Now notice right here. Notice right here on the back, there's a scuff. See that? See that scuff? You see it? And let's see if we see yeah. I think it's a bigger one on this other one. But notice that scuff. And what we're gonna do is come back with this right here and get that scuff out. Really easy. Don't need a lot of this. Couple squirts. Now watch this. See that scuff? Watch this. bam, comes right out. Look at that. Gone. Telling you this is amazing stuff. I think I see another one. No. That's where it's actually damaged. And what we're gonna do for that piece, any of these hard scuff where it's actually scratched, we're gonna come back with the white touch-up. All right, we're gonna let it dry though first, and then come back. But look at this, look at the difference. Oh my God. Becky, look at her shoes.
Catch me at the mall line.
Crazy. Yeah, here's some more pieces we're gonna hit with the white touch-up. Alright, 2MGK white touch-up. Gonna hit these pieces. Alright, but look at the difference. Look at there. It's crazy. Night and day. Alright, so let me hit this one more time. Telling you, we're gonna let these dry, then come back and hit it with the white touch-up. Those scuff marks that actually cut the fabric, we can cover those up with the white touch-up. Man! Look at those. Crazy.
Every time you see me,
Crazy.
did you could be this?
That crazy talk.
Catch me at the mall.
Alright, let's get to these. Get this out the way. Make sure you share this video, like it, subscribe. Subscribe, man. You know, I'm gonna try to drop at least one video a week of any detailing jobs, maybe 2. Alright, again, dip, dip, drip, dip, dip, drip. Put your solution on there. The world's best shoe cleaner since 1992 in these streets. Alright. Bottom. Start from the bottom, work your way up. Just like in life. Quick little life lesson for you. Start at the bottom, work your way up. That way you know every piece of the work. You gotta outwork the work. It's all about outworking the work. What you know about that? Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a half and half on this. Watch this. Half the shoe I'm gonna clean. The other half I'm gonna leave dirty so you can really see it side by side, the real side by side. Dip,
Every
dip,
time you see
drip.
me, wish that you could be this. In another corner, catch me at the mall line.
Right?
Every time you see me,
Look at that.
wish that you could be this. In another corner,
Amazing how good it works.
catch me at the mall line.
This rag is fully wet. Dang. Toss this. Super wet. But look at that. Look at the difference. Amazing. Maze balls. Pretty dope though. See how well
Every
it
time you
works?
see me, wish that you could be this. Be in another corner,
Alright,
catch
go
me
ahead and
at
hit
the
the other
mall
side.
line. Every time you see me,
Dip,
wish
dip,
that you could be
drip.
this.
Start
Be
at
in
the
another
bottom.
corner, catch me at the mall
Wait,
line.
get dirty again. And check out, matter of fact, if you want your own kit, link is in the description for a free gift, for a limited time free gift. All right, get your free gift. Okay, limited time only though. Hurry up, get to it. Link is in the description. I got you. I got you. Special offer. Look at it. You got the scuff up there. You're gonna hit that with the white touch up. And you got some scuffs on the back there. We're gonna touch that up too. Look at how amazing that is. Look at the difference. Crazy.
Bend another corner. Catch me at the mall line. Every time you see me.
Alright, so what I want to do, I want to hit this scuff mark with the water and stain repellent. Alright, so anytime you get new shoes, you want to use this. You want to protect your shoes. When you get new shoes, you want to get this. Okay, to protect your shoes. It's basically going to form a barrier around the shoe, right? So that any water, any beer, any wine, any blood, anything that falls on it is gonna run right off. Right? It's gonna create a protective shield around the entire shoe. Yeah, but like I said, a couple squirts. That's it. That's all you need. Don't want to waste it. This is powerful stuff. Now watch this. You see that? Now watch this. Crazy. Gone. Tough scuff marks that the brush couldn't even get out. This stuff works wonders. Okay? Now you remember the old school shoe paint, right? That use, and then when you would walk and bend the shoe, it would crumble. You leave a trail of dust behind you. This isn't that, right? They had the applicator right, but they didn't have the solution right. What Shoe MGK has done is teamed up with the actual paint manufacturers. Okay, this stuff is as good as Angela's. This stuff is as good as the stuff that they use to actually paint the shoes in the factory. Alright? Same stuff. Okay, so when you first open it, what you want to do is break the seal. The way you know you broke the seal is when you push it down, you can hear it click. Heard that? Okay, and then you kind of pump it. Let's find something to push it out on, and then you just kind of push it down like that until that juice starts coming out. All right, and what you want to do is ever so slightly push it and let the paint come out. All right, and then smooth it on. So those tough areas where you actually scratch
every time you see me
up under the leather. Alright, dab it on there just slightly. Ever so slightly.
Every time you see me, you wish you could
just like that.
Bend another corner, catch me at the mall line.
Okay, and then just smooth it on. Same thing here. I'm gonna dab it. Another cool thing about this is that your stitching, any of the stitching that you have that's starting to turn colors, right? And it's hard to bring it back. You can dab this on the stitching. Okay? And if this gets on anything, if you hurry up and wipe it off really quick, it cleans up really well, right? So it's kind of light. It's actually very light. And what I like to do is put multiple coats on. All right. The other thing you kind of want to do too is shake it up. But I like to put multiple coats on
Bend another corner.
just to perform or create that protective layer. I don't know why I keep saying P words.
Wish that you could
P
be
words.
this. Bend another corner. Catch me at the mall line.
Alright, and that's as simple as that. I'm just gonna go over the stitching real slightly, ever so slightly. Having to remember to show y'all so y'all can see. In the zone, I'm in my zone, man, y'all. I can tell, I'm trying to get to it. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Every time you see me, wish that you could be this.
Alright. A little area right there. Look.
Catch me at the mall line. Every time you see me,
Right here where it got on the black, I'll show you how it comes right off.
bend another corner. Catch me at the mall line.
Comes right off. Right? As long as you catch it while it's wet. You gotta catch it while it's wet. Look at the difference. Beautiful. Beautiful. Notice the stitching. Notice the stitching. Alright, let's do the other one. Same thing.
Every time you see me, wish that you
Get my
could be
solution flowing
this.
here.
Bend another corner.
Then I'm just
Catch me
gonna
at the
spread
mall
it.
line. Every time you see
Stitching back.
me, you wish that you could be this. Bend another corner. Catch me at the mall line.
Stitching is an important details. And it tends to show up a lot. And a lot of people miss that. But even when you're tossing your shoes in the washing machine, which I do not recommend, by the way, because it's too rough. I'll show you a different method that's better than the washing machine. Much better and way quicker. Washing machine. For one, I don't like putting my shoes somewhere where my clothes go. I mean, you step on all kind of stuff. You saw how dirty these shoes were, right? I don't want to put this in the same place where I put my drawers.
Wish that you
Doesn't
could
make
be
sense.
this. Bend another corner.
It's kind of
Catch
unnecessary,
me at the mall line.
especially when I show you this other method. Actually, check out
Wish that you could be this.
check out my other
Bend
videos.
another corner. Catch me at the mall line.
Okay.
Every time
What
you
I'm
see
doing right
me,
now is that I'm just putting
wish that you
on
could
a
be
good,
this.
really good coat.
Bend another corner. Catch me at the mall line.
Like I said, this is the factory direct paint. This is not the fake stuff. Alright? Right along the lines of Angela's. Right? The same as the stuff that they use in the factories. have it. Ladies and gentlemen, Shoe MGK did it again. Jordan 10s. Did it again with the Jordan 10s. There you have it. Looking good. You see it?
Every time you see
And
me,
there you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
that you could be this.
We appreciate you checking out the channel.
Catch me at the mall.
Make sure you share,
Every time
like,
you see me,
rate it,
you wish that you could be
and make sure you subscribe.
in another corner.
Dip,
Catch
dip,
me at
drip.
the mall, I'm fresh.
Shoe MGK. It's amazing stuff. Appreciate the love.